Well guys, another video, another test video, VS test between the black B&W's Matrix 802 Series 3 and the IQ System 200T. That those are the brown speakers. The black speakers are of course the B&W's famous cult speakers, although they are not that very old, but famous cult speakers already. And well, the IQ speakers are not very famous at all. I never heard of the brand. Probably you never heard of the brand, but it is a brand what stopped existing in 2007. Yeah, and this was the most expensive speaker line they made. The 200T had a price from 7,000 German mark in 1994, 1995. The 300T even had a price from 9,000 German mark, and the 500T had a price from 36,000 German mark. And these are, well, you also had the 100T, they were cheaper. But today I'm going to test them. So the 7,000 euro costing speakers, new in 1995, against the B&W Matrix 802, what had a price from 9,000 German mark. So price difference from 2,000 German mark, but both were top speakers in those days. And even today, people prefer these speakers above new speakers in the shop. And that is, I mean, you have to see my other videos why that is. And because for the price what you pay these days for these BMWs, if you go into the shop and you will buy BMWs from that same money, those speakers will not even come close to these BMWs. And that's the advantage to buy second hand. I explain you that over and over again. You know, if you have a certain amount to spend, let's say 1,000 euros second hand speakers, and you go to the shop, you're gonna buy speakers from 1,000. Well, from all those speakers, none of those 1,000 euro costing new in the shop can come even close to those speakers what cost you second hand 1,000 euro. That's why I always telling you, second hand is for the real audiophile, you know, the best solution. If you are not a rich guy, if you have plenty of money, doesn't matter, you know, you can buy what you want. But we are not like this. So both these speakers, I mean, the BMW is not that rare. They come online often. The IQ speakers in the Netherlands, the last 5 years, there are only three or four pair in the last 5 years. In Germany you can see them often. Not often, but more. The 500T probably you will never see because it was too expensive, 36,000. I have to see what they cost now, the 500T, because if these are already this good, not even top of the line, how would the 500T cost? But today I'm just, you know, spinning a song for you, Dire Straits, and everybody of you know how this song should sound. Yeah, everybody knows Dire Straits. So I think it is best when you use your best headphones, not those modern bass heavy headphones, but good headphones. Then you can hear the difference between these speakers very clear. And then you can tell me in the comments what speaker comes closest to how it should sound. Okay, Dire Straits, my friends. And I start with the IQ speakers. These are the BMWs. No, I start with the BMWs. These are the IQ. I start with the BMWs, okay? And well, the sound difference is huge. It's all up to you in the comments what you prefer in sound. I mean, that curl speaker, that famous B&W Matrix 802 S3, or that not so famous IQ System 200T. I wonder what you prefer in sound. And please be honest, put a thumbs up if you like this video. For now I say bye bye.